I follow someone called Kat, the nurse flipper. I put everything on promoted listings. But does everything sell as promoted listings when you have it as promoted listings?
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back? Why? Why would you come back? Sure glad you did. What sold on eBay yesterday? So I did something a little different than I normally do. If you follow me very long, you know that I don't really promote listings. I don't really run sales. I have a lot of collectibles, so I assume they're going to go up. That's why I bought them. And a lot of people buy mine because they think they're going to go up. So I don't buy a lot of usable goods that they just want to buy like it's Amazon. But I do have some of those. But I follow someone called Kat, the nurse flipper, and I kind of listen to what everybody says, and almost everybody, even people that do collectibles, do promoted listings. And I've noticed over the last 6 months or so that I get a lot less views than I used to, and I think it's because more people are doing promoted listings, or they're really featuring it as being pushed into the top. I can't say if I had the platform, I wouldn't do the same thing. So I put everything on promoted listings. But does everything sell as promoted listings when you have it as promoted listings? Because I always thought, well, how are you ever going to know if it did or didn't? If they looked for it themselves and found it, or if, they just, they're going to say that everything was uh, bought through eBay. Anyway, what sold on eBay last night? I had a good day of sales 2 days after I put up everything, all 1,400 items on promoted listings. First thing that sold was this Dallas Mavericks women's navy. It says navy, but it looks black, and it's got the tags on it still. It's the playoffs are going on right now. It's an adjustable hat, hook and loop, and it sold for $9.95. And it was one of those sales where I put out an offer for $8.95 to I think 2 customers, and it sold fairly quickly for $9.95 full price. I don't know. Next thing that sold was Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. It's got the manual. It's complete in the box. It was another one of those I put out for $12.95. I had it listed for $14.95, sent out offers for $12.95. It sold for full price, $14.95, within 6 hours. Next thing that sold was Jay Cutler Bowman Chrome Refractor Rookie. Who did I say? Jay Cutler? Anyway, he was supposedly was going to be this great quarterback. He had a great arm. But when it comes to NFL and quarterbacks, it's really about decision making. And, and the reason why Patrick Mahomes is so good is he moves around good in the pocket. You see, if you really watch a lot, he creates more time. And when you're a D-back, it's hard to cover someone for more than 5 seconds. Jay Cutler just wasn't very good at decision making. He could throw that ball, and he got traded from Denver to Chicago Bears, and he never really he had a pretty long career, but he never really had that great year and took his team to the playoffs. Next thing that sold last night in the middle of the night. Someone sent me an offer. I had this for $54.95, I believe. Someone sent me an offer for $40, and I took it. Panini National Treasures is a really good upper echelon of cards. And this one is 3-colored patch and on-card autograph. It's $95.99. So this is a really good card. And it's in a thick, I put it in a magnet case. Magnet here slaps it down because it's a thicker card. So you need a little bit more space in there. Normally I would sell it for more, but this is a running back. I'm not big fans of running backs. Their careers don't really last that long. And even if they are good. And this is a guy that plays for the Buffalo Bills. He played in Utah, and the offer came from someone from Utah, which happens a lot. They liked him a lot in college, and they buy him. And so he sent me an offer for $40, and I took it. And the next thing that sold was one of my specialties. Um, if you don't know, um, these are number cards, but what's cool about numbers is there's two different things, well, three different things about them. This one is 1 of 25. So getting the first one is worth more money than having, say, 2 and to 24. And also having 25 to 25 makes it worth more money. Just to collectors, it's not a lot more money, but it's 5 to sometimes 25%, depending on how good the player is. And plus, another one is his number is 13. If it had been 13 to 25, it could be worth more money to the collector. So if you do have those cards, make sure you put it in the listing so it gets advertised that way. But this one sold for $12.95. I can't remember if you sent me an offer or not. And I did the Bluegrass Picker thing. I sent him a message, said, "Hey, I've got more Salvador Perez in my store. Send me some offers, and I'll combine shipping." And he went and bought this one for $12.50. He sent me an offer on this one. I took it. And this one's a pretty good card too. It's 3 out of 27. It's 3 pieces of jersey there, and it's Topps Finest, I believe. It's a Topps Tribute. I can't remember. I think it's Topps Tribute, 2019. Nothing special, but Salvador Perez is a pretty good player, and he's a really good player, and one of my favorites. But I've got other good cards of his. I have his rookie Bowman Chrome. I'll keep one. So this sold for $12.50. Told him I'll combine the shipping, and I'll send him like $3 off. But another one of those things, I love selling items that are so easy to ship. Of course, I've got the boxes for these 10 by 8 by 6. And the reason I do 10 by 8 by 6 is because I get a lot of flat build farmers hats, and they've just fit perfect in there. But these two, even though they were on promoted listings, didn't sell as promoted listings. So eBay, I guess, are truthful. And so, not even though I put every single item on promoted listings, those two did not sell promoted listings. But these are some of the things I like to do and sell on eBay, and grind on, friends. Thank You by Led Zeppelin.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.